Welcome. This presentation provides a comprehensive analysis of Chhattisgarh Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exams held in 2010, 2012, and 2020. It includes subject-wise weightage, frequently repeated topics, green concepts, and less frequent topics, gray concepts. The Chhattisgarh Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam tests candidates across all major veterinary and animal science disciplines. Questions are objective and emphasize applied knowledge, especially in veterinary medicine, reproduction, nutrition, genetics, and parasitology. The past paper analysis reveals that veterinary medicine, gynecology, and surgery are the highest weighted subjects. Microbiology, pathology, parasitology, and pharmacology and toxicology have moderate weightage. Anatomy and veterinary public health carry lower weightage but still appear consistently. Focus first on high-frequency green concepts in high-weighted subjects. LPM and nutrition and feed technology are the highest weightage animal science subjects. Breeding and genetics has moderate weightage. LPT, physiology, and veterinary extension have lower weightage but cannot be ignored. Focus on high-frequency topics in LPM, nutrition, and breeding for scoring efficiency. These are high-frequency topics repeated across all three papers. Mastery of green concepts ensures high scoring in veterinary science subjects. High-frequency topics in animal science are critical for LPM, nutrition and feed tech, and breeding. Extension, LPT, and physiology topics are less frequent but still appear regularly. Allocate study time proportionally to weightage. Master high-frequency green topics for both veterinary and animal science subjects. Use gray topics to gain extra marks once green concepts are secured. Regular practice of past papers ensures familiarity with question patterns. Thanks for watching. Download the GNP Sir Classes app and do not forget to GNP Sir for more high-yield strategies and MCQs. Attempt the free mock tests and get a copy of this analysis for free at GNP Sir Classes app. Best of luck.